mga palangga, maayong hapon, maayong gabi Philippines. Nag-walking ako. Ayun, yung sunset. So, maganda yung weather kasi, hindi mainit. Ayan. Kaya nag-walking ako. Pauwi ng bahay. Ayun, yun banda yung bahay namin. Ang ganda ng mga puno dito. Yung puno, green na puno. Iwan ko anong pangalan itong puno na to. Tapos, meron pang punong super green na green siya. As in, ayan, green. So, meron car na naka-stop doon. One. And then, this is the mosque. For that, only, I have there also. It's a lot there and there. Oh my God, I have this black dog. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng design ng puno dito. Ayan, naka-trim siya. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? So, because I'm walking, so have a lot her. And then they're also parking. I don't know what they're doing, but I see there. Oh my God, it's a very big doggy. It's a black color. It's nice. It's cute. Oh my God. So I see the cherry here. Oh, black cherry. Bunga siya. Meron na siyang bonga. Ayay, it's so nice. Oh, really? So, another dog there. Maraming aso dito. At saka, ang gaganda ng design ng mga puno. Ayan. Another dog. Other over Palapini. And then walking. That's another hub walking in my back. And so